Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create an expense or income dashboard in Airtable to manage all of your expenses. It is very simple. Go to your Airtable workspace. Here you have to go to templates and you have to search for expense and you get this template called expense tracking. You have to click it and then you have to press try this template and you have to press create and it will create the template for you. Alright guys, so once the template is set up, as you can see, let me just cross it. As you can see, it has added a couple of items and then it has added their photos and a date and time column, a price column, a category column, and a column for who paid it, and a notes column as well. So here you can manage all of your expenses. You can add the items that you purchase, you can add their photo if you like, you can add their receipt photo if you like, you can add the date and time on which you purchased them, and you can add their total bill. You can add their category, you can add the person who paid it, for example if you paid it, or if your brother or if your sister or whatever who were paid it, you can add them here, and then you can add notes about the product. So this is how you track your expenses in Airtable using this template. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.